Hello everyone. So in this video we will see how we can enable and disable developer mode on your Huawei Nova 5T Android mobile. So let's go to settings first and then about phone, and then on build number tap 4 to 5 times continuously. Then it will prompt for your PIN number. So once you give your PIN number, then you can see now there's a message saying you are now a developer. So you can confirm this by going into settings again, and then system and update, and here you can see there's a option called developer option. So once you are in the in developer mode, so this developer option will be available. So you can go and then you can see the developer option is enabled. So now let's see how we can disable this. Let's go to settings again, and then systems and updates, and then developer options, and then disable the developer options from this. So once you disable this, now you can see that the developer option is not available anymore. So that's it guys. So I hope this video is useful. Thank you very much for watching.